Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you English course Standard 3, Chapter 6, and the chapter name is The Garden of Life Flowers. So, before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. You can give your quality time in your study. You can complete the project work also. So once the school is going to open, I just want all the homework, and please complete your homework in good handwriting, in legible handwriting, and please use dark pencil, because whenever school is going to open, I just want all the homework, because I have written everything, all the data is with me. So it's better that you have a lots of time. So please use the time and please complete your all homework on time. You can give your time with you in your families also. You can read the chapter also, and you can complete your all homework also. And do not interact with other person. Be safe, protect your family, and do not go outside. It's a very dangerous virus, COVID-19. Because of these virus COVID-19, we can die also. So it's better that for our safetyness and our family safetyness, we should be safe inside home. Do stay happy and stay safe. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from the COVID-19. And please use all the precautions, all the guidelines which government has told to you, to just to do that, all guidelines to all the citizens, so that we will be safe from the COVID-19. So please do not waste it. Complete your homework. If you don't, then go to the website, check your homework, and you can complete your all homework on time. And please complete it in your fair copy and in legible handwriting. So today we will start the new chapter, Unit 6, and maybe it will finish in 2 days, and then after I will give you the word so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary and you can write down it in your fair copy. So please guys, watch the all videos till last, and please attend your online classes regularly. Do not absent and do not leave any online classes. Please attend the online class. And I'm going to read the chapter. If you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So it is the chapter of the Garden of Life Flowers. Leaf flowers means there is one garden where the flowers is what? It's like living. We all know that the flower is also living things. So this story has written by Charles Ludwig Dodgson. So I will tell you a few lines about the author who has written this story. So he's popularly known by his pen name Lewis Carroll. His pet name is Lewis Carroll. He was an English writer, most famous for his book. That one of the famous book is Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. So this chapter story has written this Charles Ludwig and Dodgson. So just start the chapter. Have you ever wondered what happened it be like if plants could talk? Now have you ever seen that what will happen when the plants will start to talk? They will start to talk with each other. What would they say and what would they sound like? Now when they are talking with each other, the plants, when they are talking with each other, then what they are talking, what they are saying to each other, and what the sound is coming, sound they like. Let's see what the flowers have to say to Alice in the garden of leaf flowers. So let us see in this chapter that what the flowers is going to say the Alice. Alice is one character, the female character in this story. So what he just want to say in the garden of leaf flowers. So let's start. Alice came upon a large flower bed with a border of daisies and a willow tree growing in the middle. So Alice sees his garden. He just came his garden where is a big flower bed and where his board means the outer part of the daisies and a willow tree growing it is in the middle. "Oh, Tiger Lily," said Alice, addressing herself to one that was waving gracefully about in the wind, "I wish you could talk." Then Alice, she's a girl, and she's talking to the lily, and she's saying that, "Oh, Tiger Lily, I wish that you like wind is waving and you are also gracefully moving smoothly. I wish I could talk with you, the lilies." Lilies here is a flowers. Then the Alice is just saying to the lily that like wind is coming and you are waving, I wish that I could also talk with you. "We can talk," said the tiger lily. Then when he just started to say, then the tiger lily he's replied that, "We can talk when there's anybody worth talking to." Then they said that the tiger lily said to the Alice that yes, we can talk, but when there's anybody talking too, when if someone is talking to me, then I can also talk with them. Alice was so astonished that she could not speak for a minute. Alice he was just being shocked that how the flowers they are talking with me and how could they speak, and they just shocked for a few minutes, and it quite seemed at take her breath away, and then it just take time, and then he just take a long breath. Then after at length, as the tiger lily only went on weaving about, she spoke again in a timid voice, almost in a whisper, and "Can all the flowers talk?" Then after the tiger lily he just told that like the wind is waving, we can also talk, and we can also talk with each other. And then after the tiger lily he just speak very politely, very slowly that yes, we can talk, flowers can also talk with each other. Then, "As well as you can," said the tiger lily, and a great deal louder. Then the tiger lily said that as you can, if you want to talk, then of course you can talk with me as much. Means he just started and he just speak in a louder speak. He just said, "It isn't manners for us to being, said the rose." Then after the daisy, the rose said that it is not our manner, isn't it? It's the manner that we can talk like that with each other. "And I really was wondering when you did speak," said I to myself. Then after the rose he said that I was really very excited, and I just want to know that when did you speak? Then the rose said to himself that her face has got some sense in it. Though tough, it is not a clever one, still you are the right color, and that goes a long way. Then after the rose said to Alice that your face has like some senses is there, and maybe you are not a clever one, but you have a right colors, and that goes a long way. Then after that, what happened, how they talk with the other flowers, that we will see in the next lecture. So please guys watch the lecture number 2. It's very interesting story. Do not skip it. Please watch till last, and please attend your online classes. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you, and please watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.